Hello everyone, welcome to Run TV Social. Today we are going to have a conversation about basic Linux commands. So why basic Linux commands are very important. So what we do with the commands basically. So this video completely for beginner. So if you are just a graduate or if you are trying to learn Linux for your school assignments and things like that, and this video is really helpful. So there are approximately 10 Linux commands, and we use for daily basis, no matter what. Like if you are if you are a Linux administrator and you are going to use them every day in your work, and if you have school assignments and you have Linux classes and things like that, and this video is very helpful. And let's get started. Let me open my terminal. If you are using a Windows laptop, you can have a client called Git Bash that lets you play Linux commands on your Windows machine. Okay, and let me open my terminal. And the first command we will learn today is mkdir. Mkdir used for make directory, like create a folder. Okay, and I would do just Linux basics. This is a folder. How we create folders in Linux is mkdir, by using mkdir make directory. Okay, so the next command that I wanna show you guys, cd. Cd is nothing but change directory. Let's say you want to switch work location from one folder to another folder, so you could use cd to change the directories, like a work directories. Okay, and I just created a folder called Linux Basics, and I'm going to change it to Linux Basics. And if you use tab in Linux, right? So, so if you just change it to that folder. Okay. Now I would wanna use the clear command to just clear the screen. Okay, clear command that will clear your screen. And the next command I wanted to show you guys, ls. Ls is nothing but list of items in the current folder. There is no items, like there is no folders or files in the in the present working directory where we are at. The next command that I wanted to show you guys, pwd. PWD is nothing but present working directory. You see that users Vishnu Chimala. This is my location, and this is the the folder that I just created. Okay. Now the next command that I wanted to show you guys, touch. Touch command will help you to create files. Okay. And what I will do is just a test that I will create a simple txt file, and now I would want to see the file has been created or not. What I would do is I would use ls command just to list. You see that? So there is a file has been created. This is the only item available in the current folder. So the next command I wanted to show you guys is a copy command, which is cp. So in order to do that, what I would do is I would create one more folder called test1. You can give any name. I would just use test. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to copy the test.txt to the test folder. Okay. First I would check the test folder has any of items. Okay. Let's go to test, and if I go to pwd, you see that. So from Linux basics to, so I'm inside Linux basics, and there is a folder called test. I'm in test folder because I did use cd to change to that folder. Okay. Now if I do list, I don't have any items over there, right? What I would do, I would want to go one step behind. What I would do is cd forward slash dot and a forward slash. That will take you one step behind. If you want to go two steps behind, you would use cd dot forward slash and dot forward slash. Okay. I just wanted to let you know, guys. Then I would use cp command to copy test.txt to test folder. Okay. Now what I would do, I would go to the test folder again and just to see, you see that if I do pwd, I am in the test folder inside Linux basics, and this is the item that I have. And let's do, yeah, this is the test.txt that I have. Okay. The next command I wanted to show you guys how we can add a text to the files. Okay, for that I use vi command and I just use test.txt, and now I am in the vi mode. Okay, what I would do, shift I, that will take you to the insert mode. Hey, this is a basic Linux class. Okay, so to save this content, what you need to do is you need to press escape first, then shift colon, then W will write the text, whatever the text that you are trying to save, W will write the text, and a Q will quit from this VA editor. Okay, then shift 1, that is exclamator. Okay, enter. Now the next command that I wanted to show you guys, cat is to see the content of the files. Okay, cat test.txt, you see that this is basic Linux class. Okay, so these commands, and the next command that I wanted to show you guys is a move command. Okay, let's create one more file over here. So the command that I need to use to create a file, touch test1.txt. Okay, what I would do is I would add some more content, test1.txt, shift I, that will take you to the insert mode. This is second file in Linux testing class. Save this. Now what I would want to do is I would want to move this test1 to one step behind, which is in Linux basics folder. Okay, this is how we can move, like you can provide the complete destination path, move source to destination. This is the source location where the file is, where we are at right now. Okay, this is the destination. Where is the destination? One step behind. Or if you want to provide complete destination, you could do that as well. Okay, now if I do ls, you see that, so there is no test1.txt, but if I go back one step behind, and just to see, one step behind is a pwd, it's a Linux basics, right? Now if I do list test1.txt, I did not create this here, I created that in the test folder, right? And I moved that file. So if I do history, right guys, that will give me all the commands that I just played over there. Okay, and yeah, these are the basic Linux commands that we use on a daily basis, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe Run TV Social for more videos. Okay, thank you so much guys, have a great evening. We'll chat in the next class. Thank you guys, bye bye.